Hello everyone, in this video we are showing you how to set up Android UniPro box. We will show you how to set up the box and download UniPro TV. To set up the UniPro Android box, we hooked HDMI cable, power adapter and also LAN internet cable. Once everything has been hooked, the power on, it will take few minutes and UniPro setup screen comes. Now whatever we select here, it will be according to our region and language. Select your region language, select time zone, set up screen size. It looks adjusted so press done. Box will update the software. It will take good few minutes. But over here, if it gets stuck, unplug the power and plug back again. Once it's updated, it will repeat all the setup process like region language, time zone, screen size, and software update. Follow previous steps again. So it will do the same setup twice. When you complete the process second time, it will take you to the main page and also start downloading apps like Netflix, Prime, Chrome. Once the downloading done, you can choose either UniPro Classic or UniPro TV. I select UniPro TV, then select Add Mac Server. Then in portal URL, put the address of the server of your provider. Click Save and Connect. TV will load up and ready to watch. You can see list of channels by pressing left down arrow key on your remote. Then by pressing the left key on your remote, you have a list of languages. Select the language you want and enjoy your TV. Let's say if you want to go to video on demand, to do that, click menu button on any live channel in a full size screen you are watching. Then once you click the menu button, the option will appear on the left side. Click VOD, select the language in which you wanted to watch movies and TV shows. Hope this video make your setup process easy and TV navigation as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please give us your feedback to make videos more effective and informative. To get more details on subscription and boxes, please do contact us. Link is in the description. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.